and welcome to Palatable Platter. This is Suparna and today we are going to make mushroom risotto. This recipe is definitely going to melt in your mouth. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Now take a pan and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Add a tablespoon of grated garlic and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a cup of finely chopped onion and saute it until it's nice and golden brown. Once the onion is cooked, add 2 cups of mushrooms. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add 1½ cup of rice which is washed and cleaned. Add 3 cups of vegetable stock and mix it well. Add a cup of water. If you like, you can also add 1/4 cup of white wine. You can add any spices you like. I have used rosemary, thyme and black pepper powder. Add 1/4 cup of grated cheese to give it a nice creamy texture. Add 1/4 cup of lemon juice and mix everything well. Add a tablespoon of white truffle oil to give that extra rich flavor. And don't forget to garnish it with a dash of cilantro. And now go ahead and enjoy this warm risotto on a cold evening. If you try this recipe, do let me know how that goes in the comment section down below. Follow us on Instagram at Palatable Platter. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. See you next week.